here with another video. I'm gonna show you how you can make money online from your home. So this website I'm gonna be showing you today, you can get a customer service representative job and work from anywhere in the world. So the website that I'm gonna be talking about today is called Concentrix. And in this website, Concentrix has a work at home job right for you. And as you can see, we hire people who are motivated and disciplined, and we favor ability over experience. Although the team shares common goals and the company's vision, we all come from different walks of life, reflecting the global audience we serve. At Concentrix, we strive to maintain an open culture, focusing on our operating philosophy of the 3 V's: visibility, velocity, and value. So, if you want to find the jobs that are here at Concentrix, you go scroll all the way down and see the kind of jobs they have. You can have work at home, customer service and technical support. Is in New Mexico. You can have work at home. All these jobs, guys, these are all in the United States of America, hiring in all the 35 states of America, yeah. So guys, just go all the way down to the one that mostly favors you, the one that is in your location, or the ones that's all over the United States. And then let's click on one and see how it goes. Click on the one that is in the hiring in the 35 states in the United States. You apply now, just click on it. And like you can see here, sales and service rep, hiring in 35 states. And see what is in for you. Let's go. I want to scroll all the way down to the requirements. To become part of our team, you must have a quiet, distraction-free location to work from in your residence. You must have a high school diploma. See, that's a minimum requirement, high school diploma, which most of us have. You may need to have your own PC. You might have desktop or laptop and high-speed internet. Sorry, let me go back there again. Yeah, down here to the requirements. You may have your own PC. You have to monitor possibly dual monitors. A smartphone is required for security verification. All positions. I mean, when you check out, you can read the requirements by yourself. And when you check out this one, there is nowhere that it says that you need experience. You can do this with no experience, guys. So just go in here and click on the apply button and apply today, and you might have your dream job, guys. Okay, those are mostly for people in Ohio. So in Ohio, no, sorry, this is hiring in 35 states. Sorry, I couldn't remember this. Hiring in the 35 states. So guys, make sure you keep on checking this website because it has jobs postings every time, so just keep on checking it out. Let me click on one that I found really interesting. Let's click on the first one here. See what we got here. Work at home job. It still has the same requirements, guys. So go ahead and go to Concentrix and apply for your dream job today, and most probably you're gonna get this job. If you're liking my videos, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, give me a thumbs up below. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.